The U.S. Army is introducing counter-drone training in basic training for new recruits. This initiative addresses the growing threat posed by small drone attacks. The training is part of a broader Army effort to prepare soldiers at all levels for drone threats. Counter-drone skills will be required across various military occupational specialties, MOS. The Army's Center for Initial Military Training is updating its doctrine to include this training. A new Joint Counter-Small Unmanned Aerial Systems University at Fort Sill, Oklahoma, has been established. The Army is adapting to the increasing air threats from various missile types and small drones. Air defense battalions will be integrated into divisions, each with a counter-drone battery. The Army plans to equip even squad-level units with handheld drone countermeasures. U.S. Special Operations Command is revising strategies to preemptively tackle air threats. A performance gap was observed between specialized air defense units and other units using the same counter-drone equipment. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI, drones, and military, don't forget to subscribe.